2 years in the making, over 600 days of tireless work and polish. Presenting the all-new Iron Core i5 Pro. Let me walk you through what each part of that precision chain actually means for your work. It starts with the frame, a single piece of cast iron. In your lab, that means the part you mill at the end of the day fits just as perfectly as the first one in the morning. No drift, no surprises. On that sits a drive system made for micron-level repeatability. C3 ball screws, P-grade linear guides, and harmonic drives on rotary axes. That gives you consistent geometry, job after job, without recalibration. Controlling it all is UP3D's own smart servo system. It monitors and adjusts for micro deviations in real time. The cut comes from a 2.5 kilowatt water-cooled spindle, running up to 60,000 per minute. Water cooling keeps temperature steady all day, so precision stays the same from hour 1 to hour 8. Then there are the details that protect your investment. Dual-side fighting reduces vibration and heavy cuts. Full silicone sealing keeps coolant and dust out. The flip cover tool magazine protects tools from chips and moisture. Frame, drive, servo, spindle, protection. Every link is engineered for one goal. What comes off this machine is ready for the patient.